Shalom. First and foremost, I want to give all praise and honor and glory to Yahweh, Ba'asham, Yahushai, Ba'asham, Ra'araka Kadash. Double honors to the apostles of Great Millstone for teaching us the truth among other things. Shalom to the sincere Akim across the world pushing the truth and sincere, and a few sisters out there that are listening, and Shalom. And to the hopeful elect, of course, Shalom. So I want to do a lesson about the activities that's popping up lately in the last months about animals attacking people in the sea and on the land. So the Lord is making this thing happen, you know what I'm saying? But the spirits is of the Lord, it's of the Yahweh Basham Yahushai. So He created everything, so bet your ass He can put a spirit on the animals too, and let activities starting up. Right now you have monkeys all over Japan attacking human beings. They have like how do you say, a plague, like what happened in Egypt, but now it's happening with monkeys. So I'm gonna play some videos and talk a little bit about it, and yeah, look at this. This is in Japan. Monkeys are at your house looking to come in to attack you. So they try to come inside your house, man. They ain't leaving you alone. So the people are afraid of them for the things they can do, because this monkey can really whoop your ass, man. They come with groups, they can bite you, they can cut you. There's real warriors, man, these monkeys. They ain't playing around. So here you have a sea whale that attacks a swimmer. In Hawaii is this. The female was swimming, but yeah, she's 60 years old, but the sea whale says has a little child with him, a little sea whale. So, but yeah, she was swimming, and here the mother of the sea whale comes. I'll play the video.
Oh! Oh!
Get out! Get out! Get out! God!
Come on!
Get out!
Oh, no!
Oh.
So they say the victim has injury in her back, her face, and her arm.
Get it out of the way! Get it out of the way!
So they did a research, the police says they did a research on if the woman tried to call the animal out, but they say no, the animal just attacked.
Are you okay? Did you get bit?
Got bit. A lot of germs.
So she get bit, man. Let me see the next one. I've here so also an article about yeah, this is the article about Japan. Wild monkeys terrorize Japan City. Police take action. This is in July 25, 2022. In the western Japan town of Yamaguchi, dozens of residents are being terrorized by one or more wild monkeys. At least 42 people have been injured. In recent weeks, the police tried to catch the animals by setting traps, but have no success yet. The attacks have been happening since the beginning of this month. In Italy, only children and women were attacked. So only children and women were attacked. Municipal official told British broadcast BBC, but recently the elderly and adult men have also been targeted. Police do not yet know whether the attacks are the works of one monkey or several monkeys. Catchfield. The injuries of the victims vary. People have been bitten in their legs, arms, necks, and abdomen. Residents say the monkeys enter their homes, so they're coming in your home through sliding doors or open windows. Among the injured are children and the elderly. The police set traps in attempt to capture the monkeys, but those efforts have so far failed. The deployment of police patrols in certain neighborhoods does not deter the animals either. The monkey suspect of the aggressive attack is the so-called Japanese makuki. Although these monkeys are common in many parts of the country, these types of incidents are uncommon. Serious conflicts. The Japanese manku was initially a vulnerable species, but has recently increased in numbers. So the Lord is speeding up and letting them multiply, man. This has consequences according to the research from Yamakato University. The monkeys recovery is causing serious conflict between humans and monkeys. Change in human behavior are seen as one of the possible causes. So they ain't even coming for the food, they just attacking. They don't want the food, they're attacking the human beings, man. So the Most High is speeding up the things, man. You see it with the animals also. Even the animals are like fed up with the bullshit, maybe, man. Yeah, the scriptures talk about it. We're gonna get it. Here also another article. Monkey snatches baby from father's hand and throws him from roof terrace. Child dies. So the child died, man. And this happened in India. Bali, a 4-month-old baby died on Sunday in Bareilly in India. The child was snatched from his father's hands by a gang of monkeys and then thrown from a roof terrace. This happened in 18th of July. So the other one is from the beginning of July, and it happened on the 25th, the article, but it happened from the beginning. Nerdesh Abada 25 was relaxing on a roof terrace of 3-story building with his wife and their son on Sunday. Suddenly, a gang of monkeys appeared on the roof. Thought mom and dad did their best to scare the monkey away, the animal continued to circle the young family. In an effort to protect his son, Father Nirdesh decided to run for the stairs. However, one of the monkey managed to tear the baby free before Nirdesh or his wife had chance to grab their son again. The monkey threw the child from the roof terrace. He did not survive the fall. Yo, you understand the spirit of the Most High, man. Put the spirit on the monkeys. The people are tired. We are tired, but the monkeys and the animals are tired also, man. Start attacking humans. The spirit's on them also, man. Another one here. Stop playing with the animals, man. This one I was put it in the description box because I cannot play it. They can take out my channel for that. But basically he's getting a shark and I can play a little part. So you see here the shark. And at this moment he's gonna bite his hand. And he took off his pinky. So I'll put this video in the description box so you can see it for yourself. But his pinky is gone. Shark attacks, man. Leave the animal alone. What you doing? There's another one, but this is giraffe. He wanted to propose to his wife, but look. Let me make it bigger. Think you're laughing? Look how easy. Just smiling, but you know what happened with her neck? She's embracing right now. She has a brace on, man. It's done. Almost broke her neck. That's how easy it goes. I see here another one, but I don't know this one. Let me see. We will wait on it. Maybe it comes later. Then I play it. When it comes, I play it. Oh, it comes already. I don't know this one because didn't look at it.
Oh!
Yeah, man. For spirit, man. Also. Only here, usually the animals come up and they go down. They let their faces see, and but this one jumped on the boat a little bit, man. But nobody got injured at this one, so lucky them. Yeah, and you continue on. This one happened in Holland. This was a dolphin was stranded at the sea, and you're gonna see what kind of beast people can be, man. Look. Let me make it bigger. This is big stuff. Yeah. The men are rescuing the dolphin because he was stranding, and they put it back in the sea.
Hey, doe eens even normaal. Hey, doe eens even normaal, man. Kanker me vol. Hey, wat doe jij? Doe even normaal, man. Kijk.
She needs to die for that. She needs to die for that. She been charged with some. She will get a fine for that, but they still investigate. Put an investigation on her, because yeah, this animal abuse, man. You rescue an animal, and your big ass, ugly ass wanted to sit on this animal. In the kingdom, I'm gonna let this animal play with her. Yauratasa. Look at her ugly ass. Piece of shit she is. Edom, piece of shit. This is an animal. You are a beast. This is a beast. Snap the glasses off your face, ugly ass. And even the people were getting mad. Like, what you doing with your dumb head?
Kanker doe jij? Hey, doe eens even normaal. Hey, doe eens even normaal, man. Kanker.
I'm gonna slap the shit out of him.
Hey, wat doe jij? Doe even normaal, man. Kijk.
Stupid female. So I have here another one. This was the monkey from the balcony, from the rooftop. Here I have another one. This is in Russia. So the monkey escaped from the zoo. Let me bring it up. There you have him. So everyone ran away and leaving the baby behind. Yo, come on. It's a baby. Cannot even. Baby lying on the ground, can do nothing, can do shit. And now the mother comes. I think it's mother, yeah. Some crazy things happening. This happened in. When was this? July. No. It's not July. Let me see. I think it's July. But yeah, 28th of July. The article. This was in Russia. And she got scars on her arms and also on her legs. But she didn't die. But yeah, it's the spirit of the Most High, even on the monkeys, man. On the animals. So, this is Psalms 96 and 11. Let the heavens rejoice, and let the earth be glad. Let the sea roar, and the fullness thereof. Let the field be joyful, and all that is therein. Then shall the trees of the wood rejoice before the Lord, for he cometh to judge the earth. He shall judge the world with righteousness and the people with his truth. We're looking out to this, man. Yeah, that's so we're looking out to this, man. Psalms 98 and 7. Let the sea roar, and the fullness thereof, the world and they that dwell therein. Let the floods clap their hands. Let the hills be joyful together before the Lord, for he cometh to judge the earth. With righteousness shall he judge the world and the people with equity. Do I say it good? Let me check it. I think so. Equity pronunciation. Good. I think so. Equity. Yeah, I said it good.
Equity.
Equity. Yeah, I said it good. Gotta check the words. So, yeah, let me read it again. Let the sea roar, and the fullness thereof. This is 7. Thereof, the world, and they that dwell therein. Let the floods clap their hands. Let the hills be joyful together before the Lord, for he cometh to judge the earth. With righteousness shall he judge the world, and the people with equity. And the word equity, the following here: evenness, uprightness, straightness, equity, evenness, level, smoothness, uprightness, equity, now upright, equity, and rightly. So yeah, man, he's gonna put everything in place and in order, man, like it's supposed to be. Isaiah 45:7. I form the light and created darkness. I make peace and create evil. I, the Lord, do all these things. So if people die of if people been enlightened of everything that is be done by the Most High, Yahweh Basham Yahushai, he create darkness. If you think somebody died, it's because the Most High said that it's possible that not it's possible, that it is an order. Like if you go to let me go to it. Yeah. Job 1 and starting at 4. And his sons went, let me start at 1. There was a man in the land of Uz, whose name was Job, and that man was perfect and upright, and one that feared Yahweh, Basham Yahushai, so it stands Yahweh, and shewed evil. And there were born unto him 7 sons and 3 daughters. His substance also was 7,000 sheep. 7,000 sheep, you know how it is a lot. And 3,000 camels, and 500 yoke of oxen, and 500 she-asses, and a very great household. So that this man was the greatest of all the men of the east. You understand how much of animals he had. And his sons went and feasted in their houses, every one his day, and sent and called for their 3 sisters to eat and to drink with them. So everyone his day, the days of their own, a birthday, their day to feast. We're not allowed to celebrate birthday. And it was 1 and 5. And it was so, when the days of their feasting were gone about, that Job sent out and sanctified them, and rose up early in the morning, and offered burnt offering, according to the number of them all. For Job said, it may be that my sons have sinned, and cursed Yahweh in their hearts. Thus did Job continually. Now there was a day when the sons of Yahweh came to present themselves. Who are the sons of Yahweh? Before the Lord. And Satan came also among them. And the Lord said unto Satan, so Satan came to the Most High. It's not like the talk with the thing what the Christianity people teach, like Satan is working against the Most High. No, Satan comes to the Most High to ask what he needs to do and what he can do. Without permission of the Most High, he can do nothing. So, and Satan came also among them. And the Lord said unto Satan, Whence comest thou? Then Satan answered the Lord and said, From going to and fro in the earth, and from walking up and down in it. And the Lord said unto Satan, Hast thou considered my servant Job, that there is none like him in the earth, a perfect and an upright man, and that feareth Yahweh, and escheweth evil? Then Satan answered the Lord and said, Doth Job fear Yahweh for naught? For nothing? Hast not thou made a hedge about him? So most Yahweh, did you not create a fence around him to protect him? And about his house? And about all that he had on every side? Thou hast blessed the work of his hands, and his substance is increased in the land. But put forth thine hand now, and touch all that he had, and he will curse thee to thy face. So Satan said to the Most High, if you take take everything away, I make sure he's gonna curse you in your face, Father. And the Lord said unto Satan, Behold, all that he had is in thy power. Everything that he has is in the power of Satan at this moment. The Most High said it. And the Lord said unto Satan, Behold, all that he had is in thy power. So, okay, only upon himself, but put not forth thine hand. So you cannot touch him, but you can touch everything that's around him. So Satan went forth from the presence of the Lord. Satan allowed to test Job. It's through the power of Yahweh Basham Yahushai. It's nothing that is not happening without the consent of Yahweh Basham Yahushai. Yahweh is the one that gives the answer. Sirach 11 and 14. Prosperity and adversity, life and death, poverty and riches come of the Lord. Life and death. Everything comes from the Most High, Yahweh Basham Yahushai. So yeah, with that I want to give all praise and honor to Yahweh Basham Yahushai. Shalom.